One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. So we did talk about this last week because the Only on Uber event said that they're going to extend the wait time in select markets up to a third. What? But Sergio, you took a screen recording of yours, and we did the timer, and it was actually 15 full seconds. So
15 full
now
seconds.
Uber and Lyft are at the same amount of time on the ping screen, which is great.
Thumbs up, Uber. Thumbs up. You
gives
did a good
you-
thing. Thumbs up. See, we're
Yeah.
just telling you did
That's
good.
safe. That's safer because now it's not you're not staring at your phone trying to figure things out. If you're driving or something like that, you have the time to actually be able to figure things out a little bit better, or pull over to the side of the road so you can actually look and see if that ride's good or not. So that's good. I mean, I would like to see it like 25 or 25 seconds, just so you know it's even safer, because safety is priority. Remember, right? Safety is key. But either way, you know, it's a step in the right direction, so that's good. You have a video here showing the ping screen coming up.
On Uber Eats, by the way, is 30 seconds.
Yep.
That's my house. That's the chip I'm about to grab, but not this specific one, but after that.
So look at that.
Wonderful. 15 full seconds. Seriously, 15 full seconds. You know, there's that like little slider that goes down, right? That ends, and then the ping keeps going. The sound keeps going. That would have been a good trip if I was not going to a party. I would have taken that. It was taking me to a busy area.
Did you tap the X on that, or did that just show up for the time and then get off? Because I'm wondering, Trip Radar is doing the same thing.
No, Trip Radar doesn't have a timer. It gets snapped up anyway. But there'll be another ping coming up, and yeah, no, 15 seconds is good. There it is. Always take screenshots, folks.
Always. Although I'm sure this is probably traumatizing to many people. Oh my God, that ring's coming in.
Well, they have the Pavlov's dog thing going on here.
Yep.
So anyway,
that is some great news when it comes down to it. So yeah, they're starting to show 15 seconds. Question is, are you in a market where they have it? If you do, let us know what market you are in, and if you've noticed this. If you haven't noticed it yet, let us know what market that is too, so then that way we can try to figure out if certain areas are actually getting extension.
What Uber said is not correct. It's not up to a third. It's up to 50%. Now watch them cut it to a third now, Chris. Yeah. You know, it will happen, right? That's just what's going to happen.
Well, I mean, come on, Uber PR. I think you should be on that a little bit better. I mean, that is public relations. That's kind of the job to be able to.
I don't think they know. I don't think the right hand speaks to the left hand. You know, they go like, what? Especially when I go back and ask him, like, give me the details. They go like, let me get back to you. I was like, okay, cool. But yeah, 15 seconds is better than 10 for sure. You know, it felt good, and this is in LA, by the way. So if you guys are in any different cities, send me an email saying, yeah. I mean, to time this is very easy, by the way, folks. Just take a screen recording, and then you'll see the clock ticking. You count the seconds, look at the seconds when the ping started and when it ended. You'll be able to say or tell if it's 15 seconds or not. So yeah, I think it's a good thing. Well done, Uber. Well done.
Yeah, that is definitely a very good and very smart thing to do. I appreciate it. I'm sure a lot of other people appreciate it too. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.